Who's at the door? Ain't nobody at the damn door? What kind of bullshit is this? What? So you mean to tell me there's nobody checking receipts so people could just walk out of here with bikes and shit? Like, what kind of shit? This is crazy, yo. This is absolutely fucking nuts. So here I just spent $380 on 2 bikes and we just walked right out. Ain't nobody checked no damn receipt, no nothing. Like, what kind of shit is that? Yo, y'all remember where I parked at? Huh? Alright. That's crazy, yo. Ain't nobody checking receipts. It's changing gears. You gotta be moving for it to change gears. You gotta pull that seat up, man. That seat is way too low.
I pulled it up.
That's all the way? Oh. Alright, let's figure out how we're gonna get these shits in this truck, man.
Bro, you're not him. You're not him. Oh.
Alright, let me figure this out. Yeah, it was hot in that Walmart.
Huh?
It was hot in there.
Yeah.
All right, let's figure this out.
Yo, what? Mine is better. Mine is like purple. So mine is better.
Let's turn this around.
Need help? Blood dog needs to be there. Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Alright, bro.
Alright, there's one.
What are you just doing?
Yo, hold that camera.
Okay.
Make sure you film it. Make sure you get all of this magnificence right here.
Bro. Not by the Clavion. Oh, bro.
Sweet.
They already heard it. They already heard it. You're not slick. Stop it. Put your hands down. Oh, what can I say? You don't have it. Wait a sec. Wasn't that broken earlier? What? That door. Wasn't it like twisted?
Why?
Bro.
crib? All right. Ooh, working it out.
Back up. Back up. I want this. Back up. Back up, I touch.
Strong, boy. White swimwear. Who parking the scooter? You parking the scooter, Jeremiah? Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna put it over there. It's right here.
Thank you, sir. And that's how you put two bikes in the back of your Escalade EXT, baby. Just like that. BishopLo on the go. Jeremiah's parking the scooter for me. Jeremiah the giant, the gentle giant. I'm stopping. All right, y'all. I'll get with y'all later. I'm gone. Church.